Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It is so good to have you here. If you've been feeling like your home's first impression is a bit, well, forgettable, you are in the right place. Today, we are looking ahead at the biggest trends for 2026. Your entryway isn't just a place to drop your keys, it's the transition point between the chaotic outside world and your personal sanctuary. In 2026, we're seeing a shift toward mindful transitions, spaces that feel curated, calm, and incredibly functional. Let's dive into the top decor ideas to transform your foyer into a masterpiece. First up, the sculptural console. In years past, we saw a lot of thin, industrial metal legs. But for 2026, we are going chunky and organic. Think heavy travertine bases, fluted wood details, or even poured concrete. The goal here is to treat your furniture as a piece of art. Because the entryway is usually a high-traffic zone, having a piece with a bit of visual weight anchors the room. If you're styling a smaller space, look for a floating stone shelf. It gives you that high-end look without closing off the floor space. Next, let's talk about smart sensory lighting. Gone are the days of fumbling for a cold overhead switch. 2026 is all about layered, warm-spectrum lighting. I'm talking about motion-activated LED strips tucked under your console or behind a mirror. They provide a soft glow the moment you walk in. Pair that with a statement table lamp featuring a pleated linen shade or a frosted glass globe. Remember, we want the light to feel like a hug, not a spotlight. Idea number 3 is the anti-clutter gallery wall. We are moving away from the messy look of 20 tiny frames. Instead, the 2026 aesthetic favors the power pair, 2 oversized, matching frames with minimalist abstract art or high-contrast photography. This creates a focal point that draws the eye upward, making your ceilings feel taller. It feels intentional, expensive, and, most importantly, it's much easier to keep clean than a dozen small frames that always end up crooked. Now, we can't talk about 2026 without mentioning biophilic design. We are seeing a massive return to raw, earthy materials. Replace your synthetic welcome mat with a thick, hand-woven jute or sisal runner. Add a large-scale terracotta floor vase filled with tall, dried branches or a live olive tree if you have the light. These natural textures dampen sound and instantly lower your cortisol levels the moment you step inside. Finally, we have hidden utility. Nobody wants to see a mountain of shoes and dog leashes. The 2026 solution? Multifunctional hidden storage. We're seeing beautiful velvet upholstered benches that flip open to reveal shoe racks, and custom wall hooks that look like decorative wooden knobs when they aren't holding a coat. If it's out of sight, it's out of mind, leaving only the beautiful decor for your guests to see. The common thread for entryway decor in 2026 is intentionality. It's about choosing a few high-quality pieces that serve a purpose and bring you joy every time you come home. I'd love to know, which of these trends was your favorite? Are you a fan of the stone consoles or are you sticking with the classic wood looks? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our home decor loving community. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.